Hi guys, I'm Chef Exotic and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be preparing some ackee and saltfish, boiled dumpling, and yam. So I already prepared the boiled dumpling and the yam, so we're going step by step to show you how to make real Jamaican ackee and saltfish. Okay, so here we are. So make sure your pot is totally hot. Put it to like 6 to 7. Then put in your oil. I only use coconut oil to cook ackee and saltfish because it gives you a good taste, or you can use virgin oil. Put your garlic. I like it when it's kind of burned, but not too burn because I think it gives the food a little more flavor to it. Just make sure that is totally cooked till it's almost kind of burned. Then here we have our sweet pepper, or thyme, or scotch bonnet, scallion, and onions. I don't have any tomato today, so we're just going to use what we said I have. So see, it's almost burned. Put all your seasonings. Make sure it's cooked. So you can do it well done or you can do it medium. It depends, because a lot of people have different style how they do theirs. But I like mine almost medium to well done. And again, I don't like to cook my ackee with a lot of oil. I like to kind of do it the more healthier style. So you see, it's almost kind of medium done. This is how I like my onion, because I like it kind of crispy. Now with the scotch bonnet pepper, if you have kids, you cannot burst it in there. So I just leave it in there, and you can just eat it for yourself. So here we have the saltfish. We're gonna throw that in. You can see there's not a lot of oil because I don't like oil in my saltfish. So here we go. With the saltfish, you can totally boil it out till all the salt is done, or you can leave a little salt. If you did boil it out, then you can use some gyro season or some garlic powder if it's fresh. Now we're gonna add our ackee. That looks beautiful. Don't forget your black pepper, at least 2 teaspoons. Any black pepper will do. And like I said, you can add some garlic powder. Don't that look beautiful, guys? Yummy. Cover it for like 5 to 10 minutes and then you can serve it.
In Jamaica, whenever you cry.